Let's talk about spring, and I want to do this for under $150 for all the little pockets in your house.
Cool.
Let's start on this big couch first.
Okay.
So I want you to just throw off these pillows, because we're going to introduce a new
How far do you want me to chuck them, Jen?
I mean, out the window. I don't care. You want to get violent. Work it out. It's that day.
This is actually really fun.
This is free. This is free. So, gone are...
That was so fun. Go home and just throw crap around your living room.
All right.
Okay.
We're going to introduce a new palette. And
I am a total pillow flipper to the point that my friends make fun of me. I flip them for seasons, for holidays, for whatever.
well,
I'm bored on Thursday. Let's go buy more pillows. This is so gonna happen.
This is a really easy way to play with trend, bringing in a new color palette on your decorative pillows. So I'm happy to hear that you do that. It's affordable, and trends should be, because they change all the time. This new palette of, well, it's really an old palette. It's 1970s.
Right.
So we're bringing back in the olives, the rusts, the brasses, and don't get all weird, gross, avocado-y on me. There's, you know what I'm talking about. This is an elegant 70s.
It looks like the cat might have thrown it up. No.
We really messed a lot of stuff up in that decade. The circle is the shape of the season, whether it's in tile, in rug, in decorative pillows. Circles on everything. The square is taking a break. It's just like satin nickel, taking a break.
Taking a break.
Okay.
Gotcha.
All right, that's one way to do it. These are $30 a piece. It's a really affordable way to like
I call
wake
that
up your...
cheap and cheerful.
Yes! So this is a very affordable dresser. I think it's from your favorite Swedish home store. So what we're gonna do, the grays, the whites, those pickled white woods, they're really the superstars still this season. But we're seeing a big introduction of black matte furniture. We're just gonna trade out these little poles, are $3.99 from your home improvement store. They are such a good buy, and you can really turn
I do this too in the kitchen with kitchen cabinets. I do this all the time.
Oh yeah, it's just like the pillows of the couch is the hardware.
Really? Now you got owls on the cupboard? What?
Because you can. Doesn't that look so much more expensive?
Very chic.
All right. We're going back to that idea of black matte. How do you get it in your house if you can't find it on the shelf? This is an end table, bedside table that I think I've used many times on many shows as well. This is probably about $29.
Yep.
So you think,
she just keeps driving home how cheap we are.
This wasn't your show. I've used this on design shows.
Okay.
So this is a really good trick I've been using a lot this year. To bring in that black matte, put it on here.
Put it on here.
This is chalkboard paint.
I love this stuff. I have a whole wall of this behind my desk, and I doodle out recipes behind my desk. We have it in our kitchens here. We have it in some of our dressing areas here. It's fabulous stuff. Not only is it matte black, but you can literally write on it. It's like a chalkboard.
Yeah, and even if you don't want to write on it, what it does do, if you come over here, it looks like stain. So it's so hard to get it.
I don't want to go over there. I'm having fun.
You can keep going. Stain is really persnickety when you get into the blacks. To get it perfect, you have to do 900 coats. So this equals a black stained couch table, nightstand, put a little brass doodad on it, and you've got
Talk
this
show
season
host.
for under $40.
Nice.
Good. All right. One last thing. One last thing. So we went into the velvets. Now, the throw is really the hero of the sofa. I want to see how you do a throw. Fur is all year long.
I don't know. That looks like something I hit. No. I don't want it. Get away. I don't want it.
Chewbacca-y.
It's a little Wookiee. That is super Wook.
You know what?
Yeah.
Once you, do you have one of these at home?
No, I definitely do not. I have a pit bull. I don't want to scare her with that.
This,
no, but it is pretty on this. It really is.
Underneath a fur throw, my daughter and I fight about these. The weight of it is like kind of like an X-ray
Now, my sister is
blanket.
all over the fur.
Yes, and this, you can get the white ones, the light ones for the summer months, the darker for the winter months, but they're great texture. Again, that 70s kind of palette. It works great with your new friends on the couch all year long.
Yay!